What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Marlin here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to stay notified when I upload new videos. Today I want to talk about the topic of the video. Yes, I did buy a Nissan 370Z. Yes, it is outside right now. Before I get to that, I want to talk about why I even got a 370Z in the first place. As you guys may know, the Nissan 350Z was the main car of this channel. The reason why I haven't been posting on it and the reason why you haven't been seeing a lot of videos on it is because about 4 to 5 months ago, my car ended up breaking down. The engine blew out, so it was no good. I had to sell it, and instead of spending more money in that car to get it running again, I thought, why not buy a new, bigger, better car, which was the 370Z. So I sold it to someone that was willing to take the time to get it back on the road, and I decided to put my money into a 370Z. New car, new content for you guys. And I know that the 350Z was the main focus of this channel. Is the reason why most of you guys even found me. I will be giving thanks to the 350Z with a small edit at the end of the video. But without further ado, let's go see the 370Z outside, boys. Let's go. All right, boys, before I get in the garage, I'll give you guys a little Porsche cold start. All right, boys, here we go. Here she is.
Really running through these lines like an addict. Told them that I'll never have enough till I've had it. Said too many times I'ma grind till my pops don't need to, moms don't need to. You talking about a job like a normal, I don't want it. You talking about a 9, I'ma take the 5 from it. Pink palm trees in my mind, I be dreaming. I'm living on my fantasy gazines, I be meeting.
So we got the smart lock, so you can click here. If you wanna lock the door, then you click again if you wanna open it. So that's pretty cool, it's pretty neat. So inside. So yeah, we have the navigation right here. Push to start, of course. Paddle shifts. I know a lot of people are gonna be sad that it's not a manual, but hey, I mean, we got paddle shifts, you know, something new, something new. So yeah, let's go ahead and click the start button so you guys can at least see the screen pop on. So you got the screen there, it's popping on. I got some random cream seats, probably change them out in the future, but for right now, I just needed something that works for the car so I can get on the road as fast as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys a cold start real quick before we close out the video. Let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Say, if you think you can come through, we can just chill for a few, nah. Hypnotics be about it, we just laying back into the pool, nah. Sunscreen drip off your skin when I rub it in. Sun so high we cannot pay attention. I'm lifting so you listening. Yeah. I'm so great. Sometimes I think it's fate. Ay, ay.